Unlock referral marketing through social media. Are you tired of struggling to make money in your business? Imagine removing the weight that's holding your growth back. In this video, we'll show you how to start getting referrals in 4 simple steps. Any business can do it. Just think, you could uncover a golden nugget in this video that you can put to work right away to boost your referral marketing. Stick around. Your clients want to help you grow, but most business owners don't know the simple way to make that happen on social media. Want to see how? Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. Start with a remarkable offer. Referrals happen when you give people a reason to share. It begins with a remarkable offer, something your ideal client can't resist, saying, "Yes, I want that." When you deliver this offer effectively, satisfied clients naturally share it with people they know. Are you doing it wrong? Stay top of mind. Landing a referral in just a few days is possible, especially when your audience knows what you offer and trusts your business. Your responsibility is to make your offer easy to share, so your audience can confidently pass it along to the right people. Build a connected, opted-in audience. Before referrals can flow, you need a community that has opted in to receive your emails, texts, and social media updates. Without consistent communication, it's nearly impossible for people to share your business. There is one key exception. Your business must have a truly remarkable offer. Without it, no one will feel compelled to share your message. With the right offer and an engaged audience, referrals become natural and powerful. Measure your success. How do you know your referral marketing is working? If your social media content is shareable, if people watch it and pass it along, your message is hitting the mark. The more your satisfied clients share your content, the faster your business grows. 4 key steps to get referrals. First, create your remarkable offer. It must be something your ideal client wants and something you can deliver quickly and effectively. Second, identify sharers. Look for customers or prospects who are enthusiastic about your business and would be willing to share your offer. Third, leverage your opted-in sphere of influence. Ask these connections to share your remarkable offer with people they know who match your ideal client profile. Fourth, let the offer speak for itself. If your offer truly delivers value, those who receive it through a referral will want it too and become new clients. Getting started with social media referral marketing. Once you have your remarkable offer, start creating content around it. Short videos like Reels and Shorts work best because they're easy to produce and highly shareable. A step-by-step referral system. Create a short video that solves a specific problem or highlights something remarkable your audience wants. Share it strategically. Text the link to past clients or prospects and ask them to forward it to anyone they know who might benefit. Follow up by gathering the names, phone numbers, and emails of everyone who received your shared content. This creates a precise list of prospects you can actively nurture and convert. Bonus tip: include a quiz or survey with your content. This engages sharers and guides recipients toward the next step, showing exactly how your business can help. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Make your content actionable and shareable. Ask yourself, how is your audience engaging with your content? Does it provide actionable steps they can implement every day? Better yet, would they want to share those steps with others in their network? Learn from our 5-minute actionable videos. We provide clear, actionable steps to master marketing, permission-based follow-up, pre-sales conversations, irresistible offers, and sales. Each tip comes in a concise 5-minute video, no fluff, no filler, so you can take immediate action and see results quickly. We invite you to become part of our League of Heroes, where we teach you to create shorts that attract referrals. Share these videos with your network and encourage them to share them as well. The result? A growing community of people who love what your business offers. Our 3-month coaching program helps businesses and sales professionals create shorts and launch a referral-based social media strategy using their sphere of influence. Start marketing by referral and watch your business grow. Want to start quickly getting clients? Visit humanbrainbox.com. At the top of the website, click the button to take our free quiz to find your fastest path, or visit humanbrainbox.com/quiz. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.